how to use Facebook save feature for posts. So what we can do is we can scroll down right here, and then we can actually look for posts we want to save. You can actually save some posts, you can save pictures, you can save videos. So for example, let's save this. Let's click on the three dots, and then from there, click on the save post. Then save this to a collection. Like for example, let's save this to a photo collection. Then once you have saved that, it will appear there. You can also save a video if you want. For example, let's head over and then save this particular video. Just click on the three dots, click on the save video, and then save this to your collection. So if you want to view your item, you can head over here to your three line, then click on the save option, and then you can see in here anything that you have saved. I have saved these photos earlier, and I also saved this video earlier as well. So that's how you use Facebook save feature for posts. Hope we help.